shapes. A lot of times I find when you teach toddlers shapes, it is so overcomplicated. It's like, and then you have to teach it when they're 2 or 3, and eventually they get it by 4. So I am the Queen of Down Syndrome sister, and I am sharing with you things I wish I knew when she was growing up that I am now teaching my daughter with 1p36 chromosome deletion syndrome. And like I mentioned, when she was little, when we taught her shapes, we didn't just teach her triangle. A triangle has 3 sides, a circle has 4 sides, and that's the way I taught her. And did she learn her shapes? Oh, yes, she did. And did your kids learn their shapes? Oh, yes, they did. But let me tell you, we had to teach it a few times because a triangle has 3 sides and a square has 4 sides, but she wasn't counting, and you know what? It was just so complicated. So here is the first thing that I taught her. The first thing that I retaught my daughter, who was 2.5, was I got her a bunch of simple toys that were fun. You see, this toy teaches a triangle, but I never say how many sides it has. She holds it, she looks at it, she puts it in here, and surprise, whoops, a triangle popped out. But here is what's super important. As she does it, I'm sitting there quietly. I am letting her hands explore the shape of a triangle. We put it in, we take it out. And just to let you know, this set comes with a bunch of shapes, one at a time, and I'm going to leave the link below just in case you want it. And from time to time, I may say, wow, triangle. Quiet again. I am literally putting the word to the shape, and with a few more times, she is repeating triangle. And I want to show you the super cool resource that I recently found. It's the same thing with this, but guess what? Each box has one shape. So on her shelf, I'm only taking out, we like to start with circle, and look, we can actually now play peekaboo, peekaboo with this circle. What we're doing is one shape at a time. Then we'll introduce same thing, square. It's the next easiest shape because it is so simple to rotate the wrist. And we have 2, and I'm the one doing the locks. I'll show you. But guess what? We're saying, oh no, where's the triangle? Knock, circle, knock, knock on door. And then we open circle, and voila, out pops the circle. But guess what? She's watching me do the locks, and before you know it, my teaching her what a circle is, her observing a lock, and she's doing 2 skills without me really teaching anything. Now, once we got these single shape, again, some kids will get the names right away, some kids won't. Then I move on to something like this. I love this. This is a fun sushi set, and who doesn't love sushi? But what I like about this set is that as you could see here, there are multiple shapes and it's repetition. There's circle here and there is circle here. So we're just repeating the 3 shapes over and over again, and it is so much fun and so simple. And once she expands, we have another one. The key is to keep it simple, a lot of repetition. We also have this one. This one has, again, 3 simple shapes. They take it off, they put it on. So we move from 1 to 3, and like I said, I'm going to leave a link of all the toys that we used to learn our shapes. And same thing, she'll take it off, and I may say, wow, I'll do it with her. What a beautiful circle. Circle. And again, through one word at a time, there's no repetition, there's no me talking. My daughter actually learned her shapes way faster than the Queen of Down Syndrome. I know, super shocking, to me at least. And last but not least, once they kind of have a grip on it, I like to buy toys that kind of make it abstract. We love Playmobil. Playmobil 123 is our favorite. But look at this. Open it up, and you have some, oops, they fell out, abstract shapes that now, using her skill of shapes, she has to match inside. And there are 2 sides, different shapes, and the key is she's using her abstract reasoning, and I barely taught her shapes. I just gave her 1 tool, then 2, then 3, then 4, and then you can even, here's another one. Like I said, we are loving Playmobil, and then I'm going to end with one of our more advanced games. But here, again, we match the shape. She loves when things fall out. I'll show you guys. Watch this. Match the shape. It brings so much laughter. Learning shapes here is a breeze. We learned it in no time, and like I said, we just explored, and occasionally I'll throw in the vocabulary. And the last game, which we're finally up to now, is this little monster. Now, let me tell you, my daughter, again, special needs, 2.5, knows her shapes. And what do? Is I will actually take out and have her match these two together. She can do it tactile. She could do it without looking. I'll actually put 3 or 4 on a surface and say, hey, could you bring me the squares? And she'll feed the monster the squares. So again, to sum it up, we start with one shape at a time. Then we graduate to a toy with repetition. Then we move on to a more abstract toy or puzzle. And we incorporate as many shapes through games. And last but not least, we have this. I just want to take it out again. Look how many shapes. If you have any questions on teaching your kids shapes, if you want to see another skill, let me know. I'm here for you guys. This channel is all about me taking my learning, or what I wish I knew when the Queen of Down syndrome was little, and now you and I get to repeat that with Princess P, and I will share with you so many more tips and tricks, but I really want to see what you guys want to see, because I have so many resources up my sleeve. Just let me know exactly what you want to see. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Have a good day.